A very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Children, in the last class, I told you about selecting cells, changing cell contents, copying, moving cell contents in Microsoft Excel. I hope you watched the video carefully. In today's class, I am going to tell you about inserting new cells, rows and columns, deleting cell rows and columns, adjusting row height and column width in Microsoft Excel. So let us start today's class. Open page number 107. Inserting new rows and columns. It is often required to insert new rows, columns or block of cell in the worksheet for adding extra data. Sometimes you need to insert a new rows, columns or cell after creating the table. So how we add new row, column or cell in already created table? What is the step? How we insert new rows in already created table? What is the step? On page number 108, inserting rows. The step to insert a new row are: first step is click on the row heading to select the row above which you want to insert the new row. The first step to insert a new row, first of all select the row above which you want to insert data. सबसे पहले आप उस रो को सेलेक्ट करेंगे जिसके above में आपको रोज इंसर्ट करानी है, राइट? लाइक दिस. क्लिक ऑन द रो नंबर. Row will be selected. The second step is click on the arrow next to the insert option in the cell group on the home tab. Click on the home tab. In the cell group, this is a cell group. In the cell group, click on the arrow below the insert option. Click on this arrow and after that click insert sheet rows option, right? A new sheet will be inserted above the selected cell. I repeat once again, watch it carefully. To insert new row, the first step is select the row above which you want to insert. Select the row above which you want to insert. Click on the row number, then entire row will be selected. After selecting the row, click on home tab, then in the cell group click the arrow present on the insert option, then click on insert sheet rows. You can see on the screen a new row will be inserted. This is the first method. The second method is to insert new row. Select the row above which you want to insert the row and press right click. Click on insert option, right? I repeat once again. Select the row above which you want to insert new row, then press right mouse button and click insert. In the same way, we can insert column. To insert column, first of all select the column to the left of which a new column is to be inserted, right? Select the column. आप उस कॉलम को सेलेक्ट करेंगे जिसके लेफ्ट में आपको न्यू कॉलम इंसर्ट करना है. हाउ वी सेलेक्ट द कॉलम? क्लिक ऑन द कॉलम नेम. Column will be selected. After that, click on home tab. Then in the cell group, click on the arrow next to the insert option, this arrow, and click on insert sheet columns. A new column will be inserted. I repeat once again. To insert a new column, the first step is select the column to the left of which a new column will be inserted. Select the column, click on the column name, column will be selected. After selecting the column, click on Home tab. Then in the cell group, click on the arrow next to the Insert option and click on Insert Sheet option. Right? Second method is select the column to the left of which a new column is to be inserted. Then press right mouse button and click Insert option. I repeat once again, watch it carefully. Select the column, then right click and then Insert option. Click on Insert option. Right? Now on page number 109, tips and tricks. To insert multiple rows at the same time, select more than one row and then choose Insert rows. The number of rows inserted will be the same as selected by you. The same procedure can be followed for inserting multiple columns. Right? It means that if you want to insert more than one columns, more than one rows at the same time, then select the number of rows. Select the number of rows on column which you want to insert. Suppose if you want to insert 3 rows at the same time, then you can select 3 rows. After that, click on Insert Home, Insert and Insert sheet rows like this. I am going to insert 3 rows. So I am selecting here 3 rows like this. Rows will be selected. Click on the first range, then drag the mouse over the number of the rows. Rows will be selected. Then click on Home tab, Insert in the cell group, Insert options and Insert sheet rows. You can see on the screen 3 rows will be inserted. 1, 2, 3. I repeat once again. To insert multiple rows and columns at the same time, you should select number of columns or number of rows which you want to inserted. Right? आपको जितने भी रोज और कॉलम इंसर्ट करने हैं, आप उतने रोज और कॉलम को एक साथ सेलेक्ट करेंगे. Then after that, click on Home, click on Insert, then click on Insert Sheet rows. Right? You can also insert by clicking right click and Insert option. In the same way, you can insert column also. First of all, select the column, number of column which you want to insert. Then click on Home. Click in the cell group, click in the Insert, then Insert Sheet column. You can see 2 columns will be inserted. Why 2 columns? Because I have select 2 columns. Right? I repeat once again, watch it carefully. Select the columns, number of columns which you want to inserted. Then you can also use second method, right click and click on Insert option. Now on page number 109, inserting cells. In some situation, we may not want to insert an entire row or a column, but only a few new cells. To do so, follow these steps. Means if you want to add only cells, one cell, then what is the step to insert a new cell? Have a look. The first step on page number 110, steps are given. Step 1, select the same number of cells that you want to insert. Means select the cell which you select the same number of cell that you want to insert. आपको जितने भी cell insert करने हैं, आप उतने cell को select करेंगे. If you want to insert a single cell, then you select a single cell. And if you want to insert 3 cells, then you should select 3 cells. Right? आपको अगर एक cell insert करने हैं तो आप एक cell select करेंगे. अगर आपको more than 1 cell insert करने तो आप more than cell select करेंगे. Right? Now I'm going to insert 3 cells. 2 cells. Then click on home tab, then in the cell group click on the insert, then insert cell. When you click insert cell, a menu list will be appear. In this menu list 4 option is given. The first option is shift cell right. If we choose this option, then selected cell shift, then selected cell will be shifted to the right. If we have a look, you can say 56 and 96 will be shifted in to the right direction. Repeat once again. Select the cell, then home tab, cells and insert option, then insert cell, shift cell right. Means if we choose this option, then selected cell will be shifted in the right direction, and if we choose shift cell down, then selected cell will be shifted in down direction, and if we select entire row, then whole entire row will be shifted in the below, and if we click entire column, then entire column will be shifted. Have a look one by one. Shift cell, then OK. You can see on the screen, watch it. Shifted selected cell will be shifted in the right direction, right? Second option is shift cell down. Selected cell will be shifted in the down. Again, third option, entire row will be shifted in the down direction. Last option, right? I hope you understand. I repeat once again, watch it carefully. To insert cell, the first step is select the same number of cell that you want to insert, right? Select the same number of cell which you want to insert. If you want to insert 2 cells, then you should select 2 cells, and if you want to select 5 cells, then you should select 5 cells. Understood? After selecting the cell, click on home tab, then in the cell group click on the arrow next to the insert option, then click insert cell. When you click insert cell, a menu list will be open. Choose the menu as per your requirement. If we choose shift cell right, then selected cell will be shifted into the right direction, and if we select if we choose shift cell down, selected cell will be shifted in down direction. If we choose entire row, then entire row will be shifted in the below, and if you choose entire column, then entire column will be shifted to entire row. I am choosing here entire row. You can see I am selecting 3 rows. 1 2 3. 3 row will be 3 row will be inserted. I hope you understand. Better practice it at home, right? Now page number 111, deleting cell, rows or column. How you delete extra row, column or cell in the from the table? What is the step to select to delete rows and column? If you want to delete rows, then select the rows. How you select the row? Simple. Click on the row number, then click on home option, then click on the arrow next to the delete option in the cell group, and click delete sheet rows if you want to delete sheet rows. You can see. I repeat once again. To select to delete row, the first step is select the row which you want to delete. Select the cell, just click on the row number, your row will be selected. After selecting the row, click on home tab, then in the cell group click on the arrow next to the delete option, then click on delete cell and delete sheet rows option. The second method is select the rows, right click and delete option. This is a shortcut, right? Now if you want to delete column, select the column, then click on home tab. In the cell group, click on delete option, then delete sheet column option, right? I repeat once again, select the cell. How we select the column? Just click on the column name, then home tab. In the cell group, click on the arrow next to the delete option, then delete sheet column. You can also delete the column by selecting the cell, right click, delete option, right? Now adjusting rows, deleting cell. If you want to delete a single cell, then select the cell, home tab. In the cell group, click on the delete option, then delete cell. 4 options is also available. Shift cell left. If we choose first option, shift cell left, then left cell will be shifted in the place of selected cell. You can see, right? If you write here 65, 25. Now select the cell. I'm going to delete these 2 cells. Select the cell, then home tab, delete cell. If we choose shift cell left, then left cell will be shifted to the selected cell. Look, you can see 65 and 25 are shifted in place of selected cell. I repeat once again, watch it carefully. Select the cell which you want to delete, home, delete options, then delete cell. If you choose shift cell left, then left cell will be shifted to the selected cell. You can see, watch it carefully, beta. 65 and I write 65 and 25 here, but after deleting the cell, it will be shifted in place of here. Same method. If you want to, second option is shift cell up. Then if we choose this option, then cell below the selected cell move to the upward direction. You can see on the screen 89, 91, 78. 89, 91, 78 will be shifted in place of selected cell, right? Next, third option, entire row will be shifted in the selected. You can see Garima Shruti. After that, you can watch on the screen better. Entire row will be deleted. And last option, entire column will be deleted, right? I hope you understand. Now last topic of today's class, adjusting row height, column width. How we adjust row height? If you want to increase or decrease row height after creating the table, what is the step? You can increase or decrease, you can adjust the row height by 2 methods. The first method is by dragging the border, and second method is by using the format options. How? Look, understood? You can adjust the row height or column width by 2 methods. The first method is by dragging the border, and the second method is by using the format option. The first option is to change the by dragging the border. First of all, if you want to increase or decrease row height, the first step is place the mouse pointer bottom border of the row. Place the mouse pointer at the bottom border of the row. आप अपने mouse pointer को रो के bottom बॉर्डर पे लाएंगे, देन माउस विल बी चेंज इन डबल हेडेड रो, double headed arrow. After that, drag the bottom border up or down as per your requirement, like this. I repeat once again, if you want to change the row height, the first step is place the mouse pointer at the bottom border of the row. Place your mouse pointer at the bottom border of the row. When you place mouse pointer at the bottom of the border, the mouse pointer will change in double headed arrow, like this. Right now mouse shape is this, and when we place this mouse pointer at the bottom border, it will be changed in the double headed. After that, drag the mouse up and down as per your requirement, right, like this. And the second method, in the same process, you can change the column width. Place the mouse pointer at the right border of the column heading, then drag the mouse, right, like this. Understood? I hope you understand. It's a very simple method. Practice it at home, right? This is the shortest method to adjust the row and height, right? The second method is by using the format option. Select the columns or rows. First of all, select the columns or rows. Select the rows, then click on Home tab, then in the cell group click arrow next to the format option, then row height, and enter a value in the box 30 and click OK button. You can see row height will be increased, right? I repeat once again. First of all, select the rows or column which you want to adjust the row, then click on Home tab, then in the cell group click arrow next to the Format tab, click on row height, enter the value as per your choice, as per your requirement, and press OK. Same way, select the column, Home tab, Format option, in the cell group, column width, enter the value, and OK. Now I repeat once again, to increase or decrease column width, the first step is select the column. How you select the column? Click on the column name and drag it. Column will be selected. Then click on Home tab. In the cell group, click on arrow next to the Format tab. Click on column width. Enter your values and click OK button. In this method, in this way, we will change column width, right? I hope you understand. In this way, we have completed chapter number 6. In next class, we will start copy work. Watch this video carefully again and again, and if you have any doubt, any confusion, then call me. Okay, thank you, beta.